the difference between a factory made wig and a hand sewn wig. These are factory made wigs right here. So with factory made wigs, my factory makes them, they sew them with a sewing machine, and the only thing that is replaceable is the closure and frontal on the wig. They're not hand sewn, they're machine sewn with the sewing machine. And this is how they look on the inside. They come with combs and whatnot. But yeah, only thing is replaceable is the frontal enclosure. These are my handmade wigs. My handmade wigs, the bundles are completely reusable. So I use 3, 4 bundles, however many bundles you purchase with a closure or frontal, and I make it into a wig, and I size your head, which most of the time I don't need to size your head. I can look at it and see what size you are. And I make the wig with the bundles. And they're way easier to cut out than the other bundles that are on the factory wigs. And the closure and frontal can be replaced on this, and you can turn the bundles into a sew-in or whatever you like. So this is the inside of the wig. It is similar to the factory made wigs. This is one of my clients with a custom wig. Yeah, so the only difference is with pre-made factory wigs, they don't come customized, but I can customize them. I do customize them for $100 more, or sometimes I already have them customized. And then with the ones that are hand sewn, they come customized already, however you like. So you can request whatever you want with these. This is a wig I made that I am selling, and I hand sewed these Indian bundles on there, cut it, everything's ready to go. It's ready to wear. So yeah, that's the difference. A lot of people have been asking me, and I just wanted to come to y'all. So when you get the hand sewn, you choose the hair you want. We got regular virgin, Indian, high quality, and the raw Asian, which is the best. And this is one of my clients with a custom hand sewn wig, closure wig, custom colored. And this is another hand sewn wig I made for myself. That's the only thing I like to wear. I love my custom hand sewn because I can reuse the bundles for sew-ins. That's all I wear. So yeah, if you guys wanted to know, here's some information better than writing it down. You can just listen to the video. This is also hand sewn. Another thing, hand sewn is always more. They start off at $220. That's not including the price of the closure or the frontal. And the pre-made factory wigs are a lot less. And then if you want them customized, you can add another $100 to the pricing. So yeah, hand sewn is $220 plus the pricing of a closure, frontal, and the bundles that's not included. Any more questions? Let me know.